Hey everybody, what's going on? My name's Andy. My channel's Finding Value. We got Wallstreetbets. They're going to push silver to the upside. What are some of the companies that we could invest in that would push silver to the upside? Here's your companies. Here's the technical chart analysis on the silver companies that could potentially go far, far higher. So I'm going to jump in here and talk about the silver portfolio. So the first one is First Majestic Silver, AG. This is why they're trying to push this guy up. We've got a big cup and handle pattern. And then within this is a decade-long chart here. Big old cup with a handle. And we zoom in and we have another cup and handle. And I call this the dream within the dream. And we've already broken to the upside just recently. This is a two-day-old chart, 2 or 3 day old chart. We're all the way up at 17 right now. We broke to the upside. This thing's going to run. It's going to be a cheetah on steroids. If everyone pushes silver higher, this thing will go ballistic. It has all of the good chart patterns. They time this extremely well from a technical standpoint. Here's Endeavor Silver. This is another one, EXK. First Majestic's a producer. Endeavor Silver's a producer. We broke the downtrend line. We back tested. We came up. And there's another line that goes through here. We broke to the upside of that. It's going to run. It's going to be a cheetah on steroids. If we push this silver price higher, this one is one that I would definitely want some exposure to is EXK. This is zoomed in on EXK. It came down right here and it shot up to about, I don't know, $5, $6 somewhere in there. This is a little bit old, but it's ready to go. This would be a great one. Now, Hekla Mining here. This one popped up above its chart pattern, this downtrend. This is going to be big because this is a 40-year chart pattern. This thing could run for a long time. So Hekla Mining would be one that I would be looking at and adding into. McEwen Mining, MUX. Look at this thing. Downtrend. We're right there, ready to break. We already broke with a 30% up day. This is now $1.20 or something. And I think this thing's going to go and head on a lot higher, far, far higher in a land far away from its current price. I think the current price is $1.20, but I charted this out on this channel before the break. Next, Mag Silver. Mag Silver's one. You like it, get in it, stay in it, and this thing's going to launch. SSR Mining. They own the largest silver mine in the world. We've got the downtrend break. We did the back test. This is another one that I would be looking to get into if you like silver. Discovery Metals is an exploration company. They have a ton of reserves that they're proving up. It's over 1 billion ounces. It could even be 2 billion ounces. It's somewhere between those two numbers. So Discovery Metals would be one that I would be getting into if I did not own it. I actually own a very large stake in Discovery Metals myself. I own a large stake in all of these companies. So these all look incredibly good. Here's Fortuna Silver Mines, FSM. Again, we've got a megaphone pattern. This is a massive megaphone pattern over a decade long. And we'll probably head all the way up to the top of this pattern, and then we may break to the upside. Huge move here. Huge move. Here's Metallic Minerals. Big move to the upside. This is an exploration company, a very small one. We're coming up, and we're right at the top of this pattern here. If it breaks, see, you wouldn't want to be this would be a very good opportunity if you like silver to be buying Metallic Minerals Corporation. Obviously, there's more silver companies than just this. There's Silvercrest, SILV. There's a whole bunch of other ones. These are the ones that I kind of follow, that I've been following for over a decade. These are the ones that I'm heavily invested in myself. I think they all exhibit incredibly great chart patterns. And if they push the price of silver higher, these are going to do exceptionally well. These are going to crush it. These all, I have some very big stakes in some of these companies from before. I even have options on some of them. I have options on AG before it broke. I didn't get any on EXK. I have it on MUX. They allowed me to do it on that before the move. And those are the two that I have. So I am very much heavily invested in this. If they push silver higher, or when they push silver higher, however you want to say it. These are still really good bets, even if the Wall Street bets doesn't pan out. So you can hedge your bet here. These are going to be great for the commodities bull market that's coming up over the next 5 to 10 years. But with these chart pattern breaks, they're decade long. These things could run for a very long time, and it's going to put a world of hurt on the shorts. So the Wall Street bet guys, they are correct. They're gonna absolutely crush these shorts. They timed it perfectly, and the chart patterns all look fantastic. These are all from my coalition portfolio. So welcome to the channel. If you haven't, subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you like this content. These are the vehicles if you want to choose to use them to ride this Wall Street bets on higher. Technicals look great. Thanks for listening. This is Finding Value.